Good morning, everybody. It's been a few weeks since I posted anything about the van, but today we're going to go over what I've done so far, what I want to do next, and where we're at right now. So, let's take a look. These door jambs were so covered in dirt and grease. I went back and took the drill brush to all of it and tried to get as much out as I could. For sitting outside for most of its life, even these door jambs are only showing a small amount of rust, which is really good, considering how much salt and freezing and thawing this state gets. Another thing you might notice is that I removed half of the shelving. They were screwed together, but I took it out and demolished half of it because I just didn't need all that space. For the most part, what's left is to get these seats out, scrub these floors, maybe do the door panels again and get in all the little nooks and crannies. I want to get this thing clean enough to where I can sleep in it on a camping trip, but also enough room in here to where if I want to haul motorcycles, I can. I'm going to try and get the seats out of the front so I can get down into the areas I've missed and make this thing look and smell even better than before. Somebody already tried to take these out because the whole seat rocks forward. There's one. That's two. And there's three. Four. There we go. All right, we got the first seat out. This is what I was talking about. The dirt here is real. This thing was used as a construction van for 8 solid years before I got my hands on it. This one's giving me some trouble. I'll see what I can do about that. Let's see what that does. I ended up going to Harbor Freight and picking up a whole new deep socket set. Dude, this thing is literally hot. It's stripped. Look at this. This piece of metal is over 100 degrees. It's making my fingers hot. Finally, the last one. Now I can take these seats out. Now that the seats are out, I'm gonna start working on pulling all this dirt up out of the floor, do some fine detailing. This thing is probably matted in years of sawdust, dirt, cigarette smoke, everything. Alright, I've scrubbed every bit I could get out of this thing without taking any more of the electronics apart. I also went through here and did the foot pedals, all the dirt down here. I'm liking the way it's turned out. Next thing we're gonna do is come in here and scrub all the dirt out of these rails here and try and get every bit of dirt out of these seats before it goes back in the van. If you're ever wondering how dirty your seats can get, I'm gonna give you a little bit of an example. I slipped the seats back over the studs. I made sure to reattach the fuse box down there first and reconnect the seatbelt alarm. Once you bolted it down properly, rock it around, make sure it's nice and secure to the floor. I'm gonna do the next one. These seats smell so much better. They may look pretty much the same, but seeing all that gunk come out with the water, you know it's cleaner. It's never a good van video unless it's starting to rain. All right, and I'll see you guys again next time. Later.